How you doing, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to HPA the KSG Tokyo Marui shotgun. You're gonna need a socket wrench, extension, 10mm socket, long nose pliers, 7/16 wrench, and a drill bit, and of course the CQB Russian HPA hose system for gas shotguns. This system will fit any TM or TM clone gas shotguns with full stock. Okay, so now we're gonna take the back plate. Then we're gonna take the canister out. Get your extension with your 10mm socket, your wrench, and you see the fitting in there. Okay, so you're gonna have to take that out. Just put your wrench on it. Just take it out, loosen it a little bit. Well, obviously it came out. So you have to take this fitting out. When you take it apart, be very careful with this piece. It goes between the 10mm fitting in there. It goes in here. It goes on that side. So when you take the fitting out, be careful with this. Be sure you don't break it. So when you take this off, this is going to stay inside. This thing goes like that. So this is towards the hose. Be sure to replace this back. Grab the little valve. Put it in there like this. Grab the gun and put it up, and then just screw it right into it. And that'll be like that. We're now real nice and simple. You see how easy it goes? And then just tie them up. Just do a hand tie like this, and then you grab the wrench and tie it down, or your long nose pliers, and you all set up. Now you just got to drill this so you can take the hose through here. So the hose is going to come out through here. To do that, you just push this pin out. Pull this back, comes out. Then this one, all of this is just plastic. These are fake bolts. There's nothing in there. So you will just go straight right here. Right now we're gonna go outside and drill it out.